Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think that this move up here is a trend that is not even close to being over. I think it's going to go up and make like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably eventually go up and take out these highs. So let's keep that in mind as we're going down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I think that this is very clearly a trend right here, like a wave one. I think this is three waves down right there, wave two. And I do think that this is all just subdivisions of a big wave three, which is eventually going to keep on going up to make that pattern like I was showing on the monthly, make a wave three, make a wave four, and make a wave five. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is a very strong move down, and it kind of looks more to me like a 1-2, and I think it is still a 1-2-3. I think we're in a wave three right now, and I'm not really convinced that this is over. I think the wave three may be over, but it may have to make a wave four and a wave five to complete this trend. Then, if it bounces off a fib level, makes an impulsive up, breaks structure, that's what would prove to me that this is the end of a trend. And if that's the case, it probably would be the continuation of the uptrend. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where you can clearly see that this is a trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that means this is a wave A. I think that means that this move down right here is going to be a correction to this move up, and this is going to be a wave B. I think this is more likely to go up probably to one of these fib retracement levels to make an ABC correction, probably an ABC of 4, then eventually go down for a wave 5, just like what I was showing on the daily time frame. So let's take it right down to that 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour time frame is where you can see even more clearly that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave pattern, probably a wave A. This is also very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern for a wave A of B. I think this is an ABC of B, and then this move down is probably a wave C. I still think this is all part of an ABC correction, which is probably an ABC of B, which would be a correction to the wave A. I think it's going to bounce off one of these two fib retracement levels and end up going back up to make a wave C, just like what I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So if you see a nice big engulfing push up at one of these two fib levels, I think that would be a really good long to trade the wave C up, probably an ABC of 4, and then eventually, once you see this wave C end a trend with a break of structure to the downside, I would exit my longs and then go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. Like I said, it kind of looks like it could be a 3, a 4, then eventually go down for a wave 5, like I was showing on the 4 hour and the daily time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.